So Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is the next thing that we are expecting from Samsung. Now I know that Samsung just recently launched the Galaxy Z Flip 4 and the Z Fold 4, so it's not the perfect time to talk about the next big thing, but hey, we love Samsung, right? So what can we expect from the S23 Ultra? Well, we have quite a bit of infos. The S23 Ultra, believe it or not, could look very familiar when it comes to the whole design, according to reliable leaker Ice Universe. Now, according to the tipster, the S23 Ultra would be the smallest appearance change in Samsung's history. Now, that doesn't mean it's bad, considering the S22 Ultra of its own is actually very beautiful looking. And the S22 Ultra is actually more like the Note 20 Ultra, and the Note 20 Ultra looks more like the Note 10 Plus. So, hey, what are you talking about? And on top of everything else, he actually said that the phone is actually going to be a little more boxier. Now you'll probably be asking how. The sides this time gonna be quite a bit flatter compared to the S22 Ultra, just like the Galaxy Z Flip 4 or even the Z Fold 4. So if you compare the Z Flip 3 and the Z Flip 4 side by side, then you will see flat side. That is something that is also coming to the S23 Ultra. The S23 Ultra will be 163.4mm tall, 78.1mm wide and 8.9mm thick. And this is very similar to the S22 Ultra, which is just a bit narrower. So that means the phone will just almost look the same. You will not be able to find a difference. The next thing is it will still continue to have a 5000 mAh battery, which to me, I would say it's a little disappointing that Samsung, the same brand, can produce 6000 mAh battery powered phones or even 7000 mAh for that matter. Why not at least a little bit like 5500? Anyway, it will still have 6.8-inch 1440p display, and we are not gonna complain at all because Samsung displays are the best one. It will still be like LTPO 2.0, 120Hz adaptive high refresh rate technology, so no complaints over there. The 8 Gen 2 of its own is gonna be a crazy chip. This chip will be manufactured by TSMC. And on top of that, this chip will probably be the most craziest Android chip ever with so many different cores that it's just mind-boggling. I don't know what to expect from this one. Like literally crazy. You can check out my recent video on that. The back will have not a 50 megapixel camera, forget about that. It's Samsung, not 118 megapixel camera, forget about that too. It's gonna be the Samsung's own 200 megapixel camera. Now, according to industry rumors, Samsung's mobile experience division, which is the Samsung's mobile division, has confirmed these plans with its major camera partners in preparation for the Galaxy S23 Ultra's next year release. Now, if that is actually true, then it's gonna be a bonkers crazy. Now, Samsung might not be the first to bring this 200 megapixel camera to the market. Motorola is, or even Xiaomi gonna do too, but Samsung's one would be a little exclusive. Well, Samsung has recently announced 200 megapixel isosceles HP3 image sensor with industry's smallest 0.56 micrometer size pixels. But what if I say that Samsung will use a custom-made isosceles 200 megapixel sensor? According to Ice Universe, it could be HP2, which never been announced. Yes, it will be Samsung Galaxy exclusive, so you can expect it to be much better than the even HP3. I mean, yes, I'm really excited. And we will have to see what else Samsung brings to the table. And definitely let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Are you an owner of the S22 Ultra? And how happy you are? And just before the outro, if you want to check out some of the coolest wallpapers on the market, then definitely click the link in the description below, or just simply visit my website joindavid.com, where you're gonna find a lot more tech news and stuffs that matter. So definitely visit my website. Until the next one, bye and take care.